Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Welcome learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. Today we continue with our Form 1 biology lesson, and we are continuing with our discussion of cell structures and their function. So the next cell structure that we shall discuss is the lysosomes. We have the lysosomes. The last lesson we discussed the ribosomes. So we have the ribosomes and we have the lysosomes. The ribosomes are the ones we said they are sites for protein synthesis. Now, what are these lysosomes? Now, one is that lysosomes are spherical in shape. They are spherical in shape and contain lytic enzymes. Lytic enzymes are enzymes that are responsible for lysis. Lysis means breaking down. So lysosomes produce enzymes that break down. For example, food materials, break down worn out cell organelles, break down bacteria and other microorganisms, and sometimes these enzymes can even break down the entire cell. So basically, we are saying they are spherical in shape, contain lytic enzymes that destroy worn out cell organelles, food materials, bacteria, etc. They can also destroy the entire cell. So that is the work of the lysosomes. And as we are saying, they produce enzymes. And those enzymes, they do a process that is called lysis, which means to break down. Now the next organelle is the vacuole, and vacuoles are not present in all cells. Some animal cells lack vacuoles, but for plant cells, they contain large vacuoles. So we'll say that plant cells contain large and centrally located vacuoles. In animal cells, vacuoles are absent or very small where present. Where present, they are very small. Let's look at the functions of the vacuoles. We have three types of vacuoles. There's one that is called the sap vacuole. And we can say that sap vacuole contains cell sap that controls osmotic properties of the plant cell. We have also the food vacuole, and this one is found in protozoa, the kingdom Protoctista, such as the Paramecium and others. A food vacuole is found in protozoa and is for digestion and storage of food. We also have another type of vacuole called contractile vacuole. And also this one is found in protozoa and algae. In protozoa, that is members of kingdom Protoctista, found in protozoa and algae. For getting rid of excess water. They help to get rid of excess water and mineral salts. So basically those are the three types of vacuoles that we have. And we say that for plant cells, the vacuoles are large and centrally located. So plant cells mainly have the sap vacuole. So they mainly contain the sap vacuole. The food vacuole and the contractile vacuole, they are mainly found in protozoa. Food vacuole for digestion and storage of food, contractile vacuole for getting rid of excess water and excess mineral salts. Now the next structure is the nucleus, a very important part of the cell. The nucleus in animal cells is centrally located, as in it's at the center. In plant cells, it is towards the periphery, just next to the cell membrane. And in both situations, the nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell, and also it contains the genetic material. The genetic material that is that controls the characteristics of an organism. So the nucleus found in both plant and animal cells. It is bound by a nuclear membrane. The membrane that contains pores, the pores that control the movement of substances in and out of the nucleus. So in terms of the functions, two major functions of the nucleus. One, controls all the activities within the cell. So it's the central point. It's the headquarters that controls all the functions of the cell. Also contains genetic material, e.g. DNA, that determines characteristics of the organism. It also contains nucleolus, and nucleolus is the one that forms ribosomes. So basically, that is about the nucleus. We've gone through the lysosomes, the vacuoles, and the nucleus. And one more structure, in fact, two more. We have the chloroplasts and these ones contain a green pigment in plant cells called chlorophyll. In plant cells, it's only found in plant cells. It contains a green pigment called chlorophyll that traps light for photosynthesis. So basically, we can say that the chloroplast is the site for photosynthesis. We have the centrioles. So just to mention before we proceed, found in plant cells only. The centrioles, these ones are found in animal cells. Centrioles are found in animal cells and in kingdom Protoctista. That is protozoa and algae, kingdom Protoctista. Function. They are for the formation of spindle fibers. The centrioles form spindle fibers during cell division, when the cell is dividing. Cell division is a process that we shall cover much later in other topics to come. So we'll find that the spindle fibers that help in cell division, they come from the centrioles. Number two, they also form formation of cilia and flagella. In organisms where they exist. So basically, those are some of the structures that we have within the cell. We have discussed the various structures found within the cell, both in plant cells and in animal cells. So state the function of the following cell organelles: the nucleus, chloroplasts, centrioles, and lysosomes. So we'll stop there. Until next time, goodbye.